I'm gonna be doing another unboxing video. It could be one of my fidget spinners, but here's the last one. Okay,
Well, that's about
the package.
that puts you in the upper. That puts you in the upper 10% to 10%. Anyways,
Well, I got refreshed. I ain't gonna let me refresh.
you're gonna be fine. And
Oh,
I said it. Twyford's
yes.
was the ex-president of Mercantile Bank out of
Oh my gosh.
He's owned these on the company. But he had nothing
I know.
positive things to say about it.
Oh
So.
my gosh.
Now, if you didn't have your experience, maybe it'd be different. But with your experience,
Smooth but nice.
Hey, excuse my boy, but look, I ain't kidding.
What?
Look what I'm saying.
Nice, smooth. The first one we got smooth.
What's that? Looks like piano. Good. Where'd you get a keyboard? Where'd you get a keyboard?
This one's kind of loud. Smooth. Got a nice paint job to it. I like it a lot.
Good job.
Piano's hard.
It's making a little noise, which it's
Yeah, I'm just learning on YouTube though.
I'm headed for the hills. I will be back
it
next.
looks like they
When I get out of school, you might
I bought it from
have him for a couple weeks, the first couple weeks or
That's
whatever.
okay. I got an 8:30 class, but that doesn't start till May 25th.
looks
It
like
doesn't
some
matter.
the people I bought it from.
Well,